Hey guys!
So today we're going to show you another side hustle that we wish we'd known sooner.
And this one's for all the creative people out there.
And it might be one that you haven't heard of before.
So let's get started.
Today I'm going to show you how to make money with Spoonflower. What is Spoonflower? Spoonflower is where you can create your own fabric and wallpapers and home decor, and you can earn a commission, and you always get to keep the rights to your work. You get to enjoy your payouts every 2 weeks, as little as $10 in earnings with no delays or waiting periods. So you can earn 10 to 15% on any products depending on what your monthly commission totals are. Okay, so let's go see how much the wallpaper sells for. Okay, so what we have here is Boho Tropical Wallpaper by Fine Apple Pear. And you can see that it sells for $101.15. And that's discounted because normally it's $119. And now we're going to show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to spoonflower.com. Okay, then you're going to go over to join and create a new account. And then after that's done, you're going to go to log into your account. Then you're going to go to upload a design, and you're going to click that. Then you're going to go to select your file, and you're going to choose a file. And this is going to be the design that I've designed that I'm going to choose. Then you're going to confirm your copyright. And you're going to check this, which states that you own the rights to your design and that you understand the terms of service for Spoonflower. Then you're going to come down to here and you're going to upload. Then it will bring you to this page, and then you can go to fabric or wallpaper and make your selections. I'm on fabric right now, and right here for basic, half drop, half brick, center, and mirror, these are all going to be the ways that you set up your design on your fabric. And I'm just going to stick to basic because that's just a basic arrangement that will just be repeated and repeated and repeated. But you can definitely pick from all these other ones they have available. Now we go to design size, and that's going to be whether you want this picture to be bigger or smaller. You can pick one of the other. And then here you can choose the fabric and just go down to the drop down button, and you can choose the fabric for what kind of fabric you want it to be on. This right here, you can just pass it by now because you're going to come across it later, and then we'll talk more about it then. And then you're going to save the changes. Okay, then you're going to want to scroll down a little bit further, and then you'll see here there's the name. You're going to give your design a name, so when it is displayed for sale, it will have a name with it and also a description. And then if you have any other additional details that you want to add, like any keywords that best describe your product, then you'll want to put them here. Now these are not tags. Tags are going to be over here, and you get 13 tags that you can put in here. This is different. This is just additional details. Okay, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to pick a thumbnail that best describes or showcases your product. You can do it the small, the medium, or just in a pattern type. And then right here, you're going to check that yes, this is confirmation that this is your design and that you do want to sell or display it on their marketplace. Okay, and I want to scroll back up here and show you this really cool feature that they have. So they will show you your products, your creation on their products. And it's kind of cool to see. So you can actually see the paper roll right there. You can see it displayed as tablecloths and napkins and, placemats, tea towels, bed accessories, and curtains, pillows. And so, yeah, and even wall hangings. So there's several different things that you can do. They have different fabrics, all fabric, upholstery, knit, woven, organic fabric even, and performance fabric. So yeah, there's a lot of different things that they display for you so that you can actually get an idea of what you're looking at. So the one thing with Spoonflower is that once you've uploaded your design and you have gone through this whole process, they are going to require, before you can put any of your products or your designs on sale in their marketplace, you are going to have to purchase a swatch. And I'm getting ready to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so this is the first way. You're going to go to choose a size and amount. You're going to see test swatch 8 inches by 8 inches. It will cost you $5, and you will save the changes and then add that to your cart. Okay, so the next one, which is the cheapest option, you're going to go up to this little guy right here, and then you're going to come down to collections, and you're going to want to create a new collection, and you'll go right here and click. And you're going to want to name your new collection, and you're going to want to put a description of that collection, and then you're going to want to check here, make this collection visible to the public, and then you're going to want to create. So as you can see, your collection was successfully created, and now if you scroll down, you have nothing in your collection, as you can see. So we are going to go fill that up with what we just created, and you're going to go all the way up here to the little guy, and then you're going to come down to design library. Okay, and then you're going to see that you have already created your design. It's going to be right here, and you'll see your name here, and then you're going to select the collection. Now we just made the one collection, which I called Lady Hawks, and so I will select that because that design is now going to go into this collection. Okay, now we're going to scroll back up and go to the icon, and then we're going to come down to the collections, and we're going to see if this actually was added to the collection. And there you see it was. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and you're going to click into your collection. And again, for the second part that I was telling you about before, in order to get a swatch, you can do it in a different way, which is more cost effective. After you get exactly 42 designs in your collection, you're going to go here and select start design. Okay, and it'll bring up this page here. Now, if this is the collection that you want to work in, then you can stay here, or you can go back to another collection to choose from a different collection, but we're going to stay with this one. And then go down to choose a template. Now the one that you're going to want to choose is the 1 yard up to 42 designs. And then you click into that and scroll down, and it will ask you to choose a fabric, and you're always going to pick Petal Signature Cotton because it is the least expensive of all of them. So it's already on there, and then you're going to design your project. Now you're going to design your 1 yard cheater quilt 42 squares, and it tells you right here, click to select a design from your collection. Click one or more areas in the design canvas to fill them with your individual designs. And then once all areas are filled, add your project to your cart. Okay, then you're going to go here and you're going to click on it, and then you're going to click the space right here, and it will move it over. And then you'll want to do this for every single 42 designs that you have, and then that will create a cheater quilt. And then you will get in this cheater quilt the 42 swatches, and that will cost you $20 as opposed to paying $5 per swatch, and then that will save you some money. And then you're going to go ahead and go to add to cart once you have all those set in place. Okay, so after you purchase your cheater quilt or your swatch, either one, then you're going to come back over to the icon guy, and you're going to go down to design library. Then you're going to go to your design and click on it. Wait just a minute, and then this will come up, and you'll go all the way down. And remember the part that we could not check from the beginning? Well, we're going to come back to that, and we're going to check it because it says, I would like to sell this design to the public. And so this will allow you to put your design for sale onto the marketplace. It's not highlighted for me to check here because I've not gone through and done all that, but at this point you would have. And so then you will go ahead and check that. And this, I stress, is very important because if you do not do this part, your item will not be listed on the marketplace. So very, very important. Okay, and so this is it. This is how you do the full process of getting your designs created and listed on Spoonflower. So if you have any questions regarding this video, just leave your questions in the comments and we will get back to you right away.